Alright guys, so I know I say this every time, but this is a quick video on this laptop. So I'm trying to reinstall Windows on it, and it's giving me an error code now. Obviously I can't remember it. And just checking the mic there. So I can't remember the error code exactly, but what I'm trying to do is just show you what the solution is, which is really simple. And I'm going to skip, just to save some time here. So I have two drives in here. I have the 500 gig for backup and then 120 gig SSD for the main drive. Now the backup, I can't wipe it. So this laptop's actually going to go for sale, but the SSD, I already formatted it, but I go to reinstall Windows and it keeps giving me this error code. So I'll show you what it does, and hopefully if you guys run into the issue, then this solves it for you. So you just go here, next, install. So I have the two here, 1, 2. The top one's SD, and this one you can still see total size 465 gigabytes, 375 left. So it's for the backup. So I go here to install Windows. So what you gotta do in a case like this, because if you go next, it's not gonna let you reinstall Windows. So you gotta do is just shut it off fully. Have hopefully laptops. Usually they're pretty simple to take apart, laptops, just depending what type you have. And then you just want to unplug the drive, and then the drive that you don't want to format, and then it should be no problem. Here, I'll show you. Ooh, dusty, gotta clean it up. So this is the SSD on this one, so it's just a PCIe one, so it's much easier to tell which is which. And this is the main drive here, so okay. Okay. And boom, you're in process. So to sum up, what I'm gonna do is the error code I don't remember off the top of my head, but if you have that error code, it's telling you something incorrect with the media or something like that. It's not the USB like I had originally thought. It's just that there's the two drives, and I think it's something in there's getting confused. So just unplug it, reinstall Windows on the drive that you want to install Windows on, and then afterwards you can plug it in and it shouldn't be a problem at all. And that's it. So like and subscribe if it was any help to you, or if you want to, and if you don't, that's no problem. I hope it helped you in some way, and we'll see you in the next one. See you.